for joining me tonight. Tonight I am so excited to show you this new style. This is Genevieve from Paula Young, and this is the color Sunkissed Blonde. That's 1426A. Now if you want to see how I took her out of the box and put her on my head, watch this next clip. Alright, so she has these cute, kind of sexy, shaggy layers, kind of a shattered cut, and it's just shoulder skimming, as you can see. And I think if you use a little bit of water, you could probably punch up the waves just a little bit, but it's just meant to be that ever so light, kind of breezy, kind of beachy wave. Similar styles to this, I would say, would be Jones from Aesthetica. That is another sort of cute little shaggy layered style. I think I would also compare this to maybe like a Renee of Paris breezy waves. Just kind of that really relaxed boho vibe, and it's super cute. Now, this is the Whisper Light Fibers from Paula Young. So the weight of this wig is only 4 ounces. It is super lightweight, and the movement is really good because of those Whisper Light Fibers. So this is a great one going into spring and going into summer, in my opinion. Now, with that being said, this is your basic cap wig, as you saw. So I think once you spring those fibers that you don't notice the weft or the permatease, but you can always use root spray too. And some of you have requested that I do a root spray video in real time. So I just have my Tresemme, this is a light brown, and I find this works just as good as L'Oreal, and you get just a little bit more. I buy it at Walmart. So when I root spray, I'm just going to take right here in the middle, and I'm just going to spray a little bit. I'm not going to overdo it. Shake up your can good. It just has a little tiny nozzle so you can really direct it and get it just sort of right there. Now, if you want, you can kind of take your fingers and just sort of dab it. And then I just take my comb and do a couple more sections. Just so that if you notice when you get a wig that's already rooted, the darker color is running all the way through. So I think that's really helpful to make it look natural when you're rooting your own. So again, we'll take it right here. Just like that. And because this is a blonde, quite blonde, you know, sun-kissed blonde, I'm using that light brown root spray. I don't want it to be too dark. Now it will dry a little bit lighter as it dries, but so again right here, just like so. And now you can just take your time with this, and we'll just see kind of where are we at with it. See if we want any more. See if we think we need a little bit more. So I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll do just a little bit, kind of almost vertically down the front here. Make sure I have my nozzle correct. There. Just like that. And I'll do that on the other side. And again, right there. Okay. Let's see where we're at. Now, It also kind of depends on how do you style it, how do you wear it. Are you going to wear these as a curtain bang in the center? Are you going to part it on one side or the other? Are you going to cut the bangs? Some people might trim these bangs. No, I believe the bangs are 4.5 inches and the total length of the whole wig is 11.5 inches. I personally, you know me, I'm kind of a side sweeper, so I don't think I need to trim them. But certainly if you wanted to, you could. You can see where they're at. So, I think if I wear her, I'll probably do it just a little bit off to the left side. So I'm going to add just a little bit more root spray right here. Make sure my nozzle is correct. Okay. There. Let's see now. See how it looks. What do you think? I think it really helps to make it look a little bit more natural when you have your basic cap wig. I mean, it's not anything that you ever have to do. If you have a mono part, you don't have to do that, you know, because you're gonna see scalp, but you know what I'm saying. I don't have anything against a basic cap wig. I think they're really fun. I think they're easy. Sometimes I prefer a basic cap wig. Sometimes it just can be easier. I love a lace front, and I love the natural look at being able to pull it up off your face. But I do feel like sometimes I might have to fiddle with it just a little bit more, where like this, now that I have the style set, I can shake, I can put it on, and I can be out the door. And it looks cute. I think it looks totally natural and 100% believable. Alright, so I think that she is just a super cute style, just like this. But I know a lot of you would like to see some styling and maybe like some updo ideas for a cooler option for summer. Alright, so let's take a look at a few styles.
Alright, I'm going to start with a twist on one side, using those claw clips to go ahead and secure. Twist on the other side to match that. And that's just kind of a fun look off the face. A cute, relaxed style. Now let's do a half up. I'm going to grab half of the hair, twist it up, use a big claw clip. I kind of grab a weft as I put that claw clip in. And that is a fun little half up, half down style. I'll twist the rest of it up for a whole updo and use a clip. Now just tug on the bottom to secure. And you guys, I just realized that my shirt is inside out. I put my grandson to bed. This was a new shirt from Marshall's, and apparently I didn't realize that I put it on inside out. My days are too long. Anyways, I hope you still enjoy the styling and enjoy the video. This is just really cute. I like the messy look with Genevieve. I'll do a little extra over on the side, twist it, and then add a little barrette. I think that's fun. Just remember when you're styling with your basic cap wigs to make sure that your wefts are not exposed. So I just kind of tug and keep things loose. Now this makes a really nice ear tuck. And I'll use some Tress Tack wig wax spray just to kind of scrunch it up and get a little more volume. This is how I would wear it to work, and I think it's super cute. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.
So the more I play with Genevieve, the more I just think that this is really an adorable style. And I love it. I think it's going to be super fun for spring and summer. Now I want to let you know, this style is on sale for $59.99 right now on the Paula Young website. And please remember, use my discount code BBH20 when you're checking out. That's going to give you 20% off each wig. That's each wig $49.99 and over, of course excluding clearance. So that means you can get 20% off Genevieve and 20% off as many wigs as you want to buy. So it never expires. You can use that any time. So I just want you guys to know that's there, BBH20. Another great way that you guys can support me is to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're alerted every time I upload a video. I want you all to have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.